Show me what you got. And we're gonna cut. And we're gonna take.
And what letter are we gonna do today?
S.
Okay. I think you need to turn the page.
I forgot. Oh yeah. Fun. And you know everything in the alphabet, and we will cut. Now, look. You know what scissors is? I'm cutting you with scissors. Scissors is important for cutting. Making origami. If something is too small, so I got my favorite star. Okay, now I'm gonna spray it out. You see how I'm spraying it out? Show me. The alphabet. So first I got a S.
S for what?
S for snake.
Mm-hmm.
Snake. Oh.
What else is S for? How about sun?
It's S for song. Song.
Okay.
Mommy, tell me when you're ready.
Tell me
When I'm ready.
Let's finish up. How many you have left?
3.
Mm-hmm.
See, 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm. Let's finish up. Mm-hmm. 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 Tape.
This is gonna be garbage.
No, I think you can save it.
But this look like a scramble.
Okay, so use the phone.
See?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stick it. So we're going to the alphabet drawer. So first I'm gonna tape. I already said that. I'm gonna say it now. Whoa, this is a gold tape. What?
Good one.